Welcome to the 1,000 Million Foundation. I am Dolla50. This is the Bible banging services of Dolla50. As you see here, the Gideon Bible that I received short time ago, is well within reason of still being a part of my presentation. I will be banging this session in regards to the stimulus check. It's no way that the government hasn't afforded my stimulus check. It's no way the government hasn't afforded funding for the hip hop headquarters. It's no way the government is tampering with my websites. My generated income from my websites are being challenged. It's no way that the government is issuing Social Security to me and still not violating my rights as a United States citizen. I have protection against cruel and unusual punishment consistent with the 8th Amendment of the United States Constitution. It also protects you against excessive bail where deemed appropriate. The 8th Amendment. Now, these extremes of controversy, of stimulus checks, Social Security, website income, vaccine distribution income, my information is clearly in question. Where are my resources and where are they going all this time? Where are they and where are they going? Because I'm also assisting in the distribution of the stimulus check situation. I'm securing the interest of stimulus checks being distributed, yet I don't have a stimulus check. I'm securing the interest of various numbers of government affiliated programs, and I haven't been paid for my efforts. I haven't been paid for the COVID-19 preventive measures being implemented in the building processes, Gumanik Properties, a short distance from here. I haven't been funded. I haven't been paid. So I bang. I'm not going to tell a long and drawn out story. I bang for now. I bang. I'm going to up my count to 15 like I served in prison. 15 years in prison. I paid it up front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ugh. My time I served in prison, I didn't go to church services. I didn't repent. I appealed my case. I went to the law library. I appealed my case. I fought it in court. The court denied my claims that I was wrongfully arrested, wrongfully stopped. They said my story wasn't credible, and the story was based on me being a passenger in the vehicle, and the vehicle traveling at 55 miles per hour, as I observed from the passenger side of the vehicle. When I observed the vehicle wasn't traveling no more than 55 miles per hour, the speed limit that was posted, I appealed based on that. I issued a motion to suppress on the grounds that the warrant wasn't substantiated. The motion to suppress was denied, and then I further went to trial. When I went to trial, they cross-examined me and said, well, where were you going? So what do you mean, where was I going? I was going shopping. Good a story as any. I was going shopping. I'm from New York City. I was going shopping in New York City, and that's my story. I didn't testify about who I was involved with going shopping with, and it was their fault, and I didn't do none of that. I held my ground. The warrant wasn't substantiated. The vehicle was traveling at 55 miles per hour, which I observed myself in the passenger seat, not the driver's seat, and I remain to be innocent. That's how I defended my argument. That's my case. So when I did a 15 count just now, they still going. They still going. When I argued the case there, they kept going, and now they tampering with my websites. Now they tampering with my Social Security checks. They tampering with my stimulus check. They tampering with my vaccine distribution check, money, funding, my hip hop funding. They just constantly going. I don't know where they're going to end at, but I bang again. Another 15 count, like I served in prison, up front, paid, no delays, nothing, no parole, no probation, no furloughs, just 15 years, 5 years up front, and 10 years on probation. So I bang, parole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when I served my 15 years, they got their time. They said I was in a vehicle that was speeding, and it was contraband found in the vehicle. I have nothing to do with what was found in the vehicle. I wasn't driving the vehicle. First, for one, I was a passenger in the vehicle as a passenger. Second, I observed the vehicle traveling 55 miles per hour. I further hired an attorney, and the attorney filed a motion to suppress all evidence from the records on anybody's behalf. Because the driver didn't have my attorney, the driver jumped bail. On anybody's behalf, the attorney didn't say, well, blame it on the driver and that'll settle the case. The lawyer said, motion to suppress on the grounds that the vehicle was traveling 55 miles per hour, as my client said. Which would have been more realistic from a passenger point of view. The first thing you do is look at the speed limit and say, well, why are they pulling the vehicle over? With these extremes present, it's not even about why they pulled the vehicle over. Why are you tampering with my stimulus check, Mr. President? For whatever reason, I don't care what your logic is. Why are you tampering my website, Mr. President? I don't care what your reasons. I don't care what your logic is. Why are you tampering with the distribution of funding for the vaccine where people are dying, Mr. President? Why are you tampering with the distribution of hip-hop funding for hip-hop headquarters if it complements the situation of COVID-19? Mr. President, you well out of order, and I demand some type of explanation from the authorities. Someone should be arrested immediately. Immediately. This is not no game you're going to be playing around me, tampering with my website, tampering with my resources, tampering with everything I'm doing. I'm no fucking tool for security. You're out your fucking mind. I'm not no fucking weapon, motherfucker. If I was a weapon, I'd pop a motherfucker playing around with my mind, my motherfucking person. Fourth Amendment, protection of unwarranted searches and seizures of person, papers, and or effects. I'll pop one of these motherfuckers. Play with me, motherfucker. Abolishment of slavery, 13th Amendment. Abolishment of slavery, motherfucker. I'll pop a nigga. Don't get me fucked up with your friends, nigga. I'll pop your ass.